What's up, guys? Welcome back. For today's episode, we're going to be continuing again with the high intensity interval training workouts. Today we have an ab circuit. It's going to be episode 3 of our advanced phase level workouts. All right, so it will be structured again the same exact way we've been doing it. We're going to do 1-minute stations all the way down. Once we finish all 7 of our stations for today's workout, you'll take that 2 to 3 minute break, get some water real quick, come back, and then we'll do another 2 total rounds. All right, so finishing up with 3 and then you're done. All right, so for the first station we got today, we're going to be doing a split set. All right, we're going to be doing weighted Russian twists with weighted toe touches. All right, so 30 seconds a piece. What it's going to look like, you're going to go ahead and grab your weight, starting off on the ground. What we're going to do once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we'll start it off with Russian twists. Feet are going to come up right here. Once we hear clock, 3, 2, 1, you'll come right into it. Go right into some Russian twists, nice and under control. Try not to keep your feet moving too much. Stabilize your core, under control. Once we come up to that halfway, 3, 2, 1, we're going to go ahead and lay it back. Feet are going up in the air, and you're going to bring up that weight to your toes, coming up, right here. Once we got 30 seconds of toe touches, 3, 2, 1, then we're moving it on to number 2. For our second one, we're going to be doing another split set, all right? So this time we're going to be doing 30 seconds of leg raises followed by 30 seconds of kick-ups, all right, guys? So you're going to go ahead, start off. You don't need any weight for this one, so all we're going to be doing, starting right here, once we hit that clock, 3, 2, 1, legs are coming all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. For 30 seconds, once we got 30 seconds of leg raises, we'll go right into it, 3, 2, 1, going into some kick-ups. Coming all the way up, kicking up at the top. Back down, up, kicking it up at the top, over and over throughout that minute. Once we hear 3, 2, 1, then we're moving it on to the third. Number 3, we're going to be doing some declining knee drivers, all right, guys? So you're just going to be needing somewhere where you can go ahead and put your feet up to create that declining position. So what we're going to do, coming down right here, once we get our feet up and we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, we're going to take each knee, drive it all the way across our body, from right to left, right to left. All right, guys, so the key to those ones too is make sure that you're taking your time going slow and under control so you can really feel the contraction in your abs, all right? On to number 4. Our fourth one, we got some hanging leg raises, all right, guys? So what we're gonna do, find a bar or something that you can go ahead and obviously hang on. Arms are coming up, so from this position, once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, both legs are coming all the way up and all the way down. Nice and under control. Try not to be swinging too much. Really feel the contraction in your abs over and over throughout that minute. That's number 4. On to number 5. Number 5, we got some hanging flutter kicks. All right, guys, so again, you're gonna need a bar again to hang up on for this one. Again, once we got it right here, so what we're gonna do, hear the clock, 3, 2, 1, coming up into this position, we're gonna hold, and from right here, we're gonna do some mini flutter kicks. All right, so obviously those are pretty difficult to continue doing throughout that minute, so just do your best, try to get as many as you can. If you got to drop, get back on, all good. Just see what you can do. All right, on to number 6. Number 6, we're going to be doing some weighted hanging knee tucks, all right, guys, and we're going to be alternating in between the set as well, going from left to right. So we're going to jump ourselves up, grab on the bar. Right here, you guys are going to get a weight that you know is going to challenge you. Obviously nothing too crazy, but grab a weight, put it at your feet. So once we hear that clock, 3, 2, and 1, coming right up to the left, back down, switching, going back to the right. Going left, come back down, and right. Over and over throughout that minute, all right? And for our 7th and final station for today's workout, we're gonna be doing some hanging windshield wipers, all right, guys? So we're gonna start it off, jumping up on the bar or whatever you have to grab on. What we're gonna do from this position, once we hear the clock, 3, 2, 1, come all the way up as wide as you can from one side, all the way back to the other. Just like a windshield wiper, up to one side, bring it back, all the way to the other. So that's going to be all 7 of our stations for today's ab circuit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys give this one a shot yourselves and let me know what you think. Comments, questions, concerns, always appreciated. So let me know what's up. And make sure you guys are continuing to keep tapping in with your boy. I got a bunch of new material coming, so keep clicking that subscribe button. I promise you it's only going to keep getting better. So until next video, make sure you guys are staying positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.